Hi, my name is Asadour. I'm the CEO of Tutor Doctor. I know there's a lot of frustration out there about the Common Core, and I feel your pain. I just want to help clarify a few things and tell you a little bit about the differences and what they look like about the Common Core, the new math, and the old math. Here's a sample problem of the new math. So everybody knows how to do 32 minus 12. I want to show you what the Common Core says for you to do and try to show you what they're trying to get at. So basically, what Common Core is asking you to do is figure out how many numbers apart is 12 from 32. And the only way to get there is for students to know what's the closest 5 and 10. It's easy to count by 5s, it's easy to count by 10s, so we want to get to the closest 5 or 10. So the closest 5 or 10 to 12 is 15. So we just add 3, we get to 15. The closest 5 or 10 to 15 is 20 after that. So we add 5 and we get to 20. And so on and so forth. We add 10 to get to 30. We are left with only 2 to get to 32 from 30. So we add 2 to get to 32. And then finally, what we do is we add up all of these numbers to get to the solution, which is 20. Now, I know that sounds a little complicated, but the point is to help them understand number sense. Now let's go and try the old-fashioned way. Now everybody knows the old-fashioned way of how to do math. Everybody's comfortable with it. Here's an example, 3,000 minus 2,999. Now what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to borrow from the 3, from the thousands place. It becomes a 2. This becomes a 10. You borrow from the 10, it becomes a 9. You borrow, this thing becomes a 10, you borrow again, becomes a 9, and finally you get to 10 again, and so on and so forth. Now, you do all of these steps just to get to the conclusion that 10 minus 9 is 1. All of these steps, all this frustration the student has to go through just to get to that solution. Let's do it a little differently, the new way. We see that 2,999 is how far apart from 3,000, just like we did in the beginning. It turns out it's only 1 away from 3,000. This is basically number sense. All Common Core wants your students to understand is to get an idea of number sense so they don't have to do complicated steps and problems to get to a common goal. So if you need help with the Common Core, or if you have any questions about anything else, any subject, please feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to help you with a free in-home assessment and consultation. Thank you.